Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 1 minus 7 bracket 1 minus 7. This looks simple, still many people fail to solve because they solve it 1 minus 7 as 6 and 1 minus 7 and 6. And negative 6 and negative 6 give positive 36, which is the wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. Because 1 minus 7 bracket 1 minus 7, when there is n multiple operations like subtraction bracket, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first we have to solve the brackets or parenthesis. So 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Now if there is no sign between the number and the bracket, then you have to put multiplication. Now as per both the rule, if we have multiplication and subtraction, we have to give priority to multiplication. So 7 times 6 is 42 and minus minus is plus. So what is the final answer? 43, not 36. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.